welcome back to the Top Collectors channel for yet another video. Before we kick this off today, if you guys are new to the channel, consider subscribing as it would really help us to bring you the absolute best content geared towards mini car collections. Without further ado, let's jump right into this one today. We have the unboxing of the POPRACE Audi R8 LMS, car number 25 from the FIA GT World Cup 2019. Driver Van Door. Let's crack this open. I'm super excited to be opening up this one today. Honestly, just from the packaging alone, this looks like the best detailed 1/64 scale I have personally seen. Let's look at the packaging real quick. We have POPRACE branding over here. We got a little version of the car with a little bit more details. Audi R8 LMS with Van Door. On the other side, collector's models and regular other information. Right off the bat, I do have to say, I'm not even going to take this out, I'm afraid to get fingerprints over it. It's got a hydrochroming paint finish, stunning details. That engine bay is absolutely ridiculous. Pull this out, grab it from the wheels. I'm gonna put this on the dolly later, but this is absolutely, get it to focus a little bit. We have plastic headlights, super details. Wheels that move, that's also a very nice plus. Plastic taillights. This is absolutely stunning. This is by far one of the better models in terms of actual details. We have this little antenna right here on the top. It's even rubber. It's truly stunning. Pirelli badging on the wheels. The actual two little spokes painted red in the back. All the branding, everything is crisp, everything is clear. This is very unbelievable. I have to say, the Chinese just do it really good. And of course, there's also the hole over here at the bottom. If ever you do want to put it in a display case, you're free to do so. But this is absolutely just next level. Let us know in the comment section down below if you like it as much as I do, because this is absolutely, it's crazy. I can't even believe this. It's intense. It's ridiculously detailed for this size of scale, this casting. You have the vents, the frills. I'm gonna place this very nicely. No complaints on that front. And that wraps this unboxing, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video as much as I did, feel free to subscribe and click that bell to get notified as soon as we drop new content. Don't forget to equally like and share this video. Never stop collecting and fuel that passion. I can't emphasize this enough. To all my collectors, I'm Adrian, and we will see you all in the next one.